Hey YouTube. The Braille and Speak Scholar here. For some reason, Caller123123 wants me to read my whole help file for you all. He must think it will bring a lot of use, but I don't think so. In fact, I really don't want to do this, it's a waste of time. But I'll do it, because I really don't want to get fired. Oh, and I was asked to let you know that this video was inspired by Cause-I-76. If you want to see some awesome blind mistake history, including other Braille devices, go check out his channel. Okay, enough talking, let's start reading the help file. APH Scholar Ready Help 6 pages. Top of file. APH Scholar Help file writing functions backspace, cord-B uppercase next character, cord-U uppercase lock, cord-U twice uppercase unlock, cord-Q overwrite one character, cord-2-4-6 continuous overwrite, cord-2-4-6 twice, terminate with cord-2-4-6. Carriage return, cord-4-6 insert text at cursor location, cord-I, less than text greater than, cord-E delete character at cursor, cord-D twice delete unit or units at cursor, cord-D, less than unit letter greater than, cord-E, unit letters are as follows, C equals character, W equals word, L equals line, P equals paragraph, S equals sentence, P equals from cursor to block. A block is a string of characters you specify after the letter P. M equals from cursor to mark or from mark to cursor, Z equals all text from the cursor position to the end of the file. You can place a number from 1 to 255 after the unit letter C, W, L, P, or S to specify how many units should be deleted. For example, cord-D, W, 25, cord-E will delete 25 words starting at the cursor. Terminating the delete command with cord-E moves the deleted text to the clipboard. Terminating the delete command with cord-3-4-6 appends the deleted text to the clipboard. Paste at cursor location, cord-3-4-6, followed by one of these options, C equals clipboard, D equals date, F equals file, G equals get date, T equals time, R equals result from calculator, number sign equals stopwatch copy or append text between mark and cursor to clipboard, cord-1-2-6, then C to copy or to append tab, cord-4-5, number of the column you wish to be in, cord-E enter repeating character, cord-4-5, character, number of times to repeat the character from 2-255, cord-E alt, cord-3-5, number from 1-255, cord-E enters ASCII character with number specified. Enter control character, cord-X, less than character greater than do not translate next character in the Braille file, proceed with .4 do not translate string in the Braille file, .4, less than string greater than, .4, L reading function seek from cursor to end of file, cord-1-2-4-5-6 move to top of file, cord-L move to end of file, cord-4-5-6 move forward by paragraph, cord-5-6, blank lines indicate paragraph breaks. Move backward by paragraph, cord-2-3 speak current line, cord-C speak next line, cord-4 speak previous line, cord-A speak current word, cord-2-5 twice spells word. Speak next word. Cord-5 speak previous word. Cord-2 speak current character. Cord-3-6 twice speaks phonetically. 3 times gives ASCII value if ASCII values is on. Speak next character. Cord-6 speak previous character. Cord-3 cursor location. Cord-1-5-6 rule left in file. Cord-R page location. Cord-1-4-6 followed by P for print. P for Braille or for absolute page review mode. Cord-O R any cord exit set mark. Cord-M move. Cord-3-4-5-6 less than unit letter greater than less than number greater than. Cord-E unit letters are as follows. P equals Braille page. C equals character. L equals line. M equals mark. P equals print page. W equals word. With all but mark, you may use plus or minus before the number to specify the direction of movement. If plus or minus are not used, all movement is relative to the top of the file. Examples, L22 equals move to 2 lines from the top of the file, L plus 22 equals move to 2 lines from the current cursor position, C-700 equals move back 700 characters. Using a 0 will give the total number of units in the file. Speak windows, lines, or sentences, cord-W, then W, L, or S skip blank lines, cord-1-2-3-4-6, Y and distinguish case during find, cord-2-3-4-6, Y and uppercase proof mode, toggle with cord-OU, when on, will say quote cap quote, for uppercase characters, or quote cap quote, for uppercase words. Pull-down menus, use cord-4 or the spacebar to move down the menu. Use cord-A to move up the menu. Cord-C repeats the current item. Cord-3-6 gives the hotkey. Cord-E selects the current item. Pull-down menus may be used with the following functions, delete, cord-D file menu, cord-O, F, cord-1-4-5-6 move, cord-3-4-5-6 option, cord-O parameter, cord-P paste, cord-3-4-6 remote mode, cord-3-5-6 set time date, cord-S followed by T for time or T for date spell check, cord-O, 1-6 storage, cord-S transmit, cord-T find functions find, cord-F, string, cord-E, 6 free characters max. Find backward. Terminate find string with cord-1-4-5-6 find date, cord-F, cord-G, less than use mark calendar to enter date greater than, cord-E search and replace, terminate find string with cord-R, less than replacement string greater than, cord-E, when prompted, R equals replace, S equals skip, A equals all. Distinguish case during find, cord-2-3-4-6, Y and for additional find commands, see Scholar manual macros, you can record up to 6 free characters in each of 6 for macros. A macro created with the spacebar will be executed at power on. You will be asked for confirmation when creating the spacebar macro. Start recording macro, cord-n, less than any character greater than stop recording macro, cord-n execute macro, cord-j, less than macro character greater than protect all macros, cord-n, cord-p unprotect all macros, cord-n, cord-u silence macros, cord-k speak macros, cord-v pause macro for single character input, cord-1-6 line pause, cord-1-6 twice, terminate with cord-e, speak message within macro, cord-2-3-6, message, cord-e, speak macros must be turned on with cord-v, speech parameters set speech parameters, cord-3-4-5, cord-e exit softer, .1 louder, .4 change voice, person, .2 or .5 slower, .3 faster, .6 voice shift, .1-4-6, use with PC edit mode, use drop number 0 through 6 to set shift. Voice articulation, cord-a or cord-4 voice inflection, .1-3 decreases, .4-6 increases voice pitch, .2-3 decreases, .5-6 increases preset voice, cord-2-3 or cord-5-6 to select voice, use parameters to customize voice, press cord-y to activate key echo, key click or silent keys, spacebar punctuation, T equals total, M equals most, S equals sum, Z equals none speaker and punctuation setting, P digits or full numbers, N speech box mode, cord-s enhanced speech box mode, cord-1-2-3-4-5-6, then P4 block or L4 line handshaking, cord-e use speech box with master or Windows master, cord-p cancel speech box mode, cord-3-4-5, cord-s file commands quick file open by number, cord-o, then 2-digit number from 0-99. Unit may have files from 0 through 127. Enter file menu, cord-o, F, cord-e exit speak free memory in pages, F create file, C open file, O open pointed to file, cord-o move to top of file list, cord-l move to end of file list, cord-4-5-6 move forward through file list, cord-4 move backward through file list, cord-1 move forward through file list with file names only, cord-6 move backward through file list with file names only, cord-3 speak verbose file list, V copy file list to clipboard, cord-V speak names of all files, L speak quick file list, Q tell name of open file, T current file pointed to, cord-C cell name of pointed to file, cord-2-5 delete file, D delete pointed to file, cord-D global delete, G warning, files will be deleted after confirmation. Make open file bigger, B make pointed to file bigger, cord-B make open file smaller, S make pointed to file smaller, cord-S rename open file, R rename pointed to file, cord-R protect open file, P protect pointed to file, cord-P unprotect open file, U unprotect pointed to file, cord-U information on a file or a group of files, I information on pointed to file, cord-I time date information on a file or a group of files, M time date information on pointed to file, cord-M tell size of file or a group of files, 1-5-6 tell size of pointed to file, cord-1-5-6 transfer protocols, cord-T recover open file, 1-2-3-4-5-6 load external program, cord-X load external program and provide arguments, X information on the pointed to external program, 1-4-5-6.2 previous external program, cord-2.2 next external program, cord-5 pull down menu for file commands, cord-1-4-5-6 password protect open file, W, less than password greater than, cord-E, less than password again greater than, cord-E, password can be from 1-6 characters. Remove password from open file, W, cord-E wildcard characters start 1-6 and 1-4-5-6 can be used with commands I, G, M, and 1-5-6. Status menu enter status menu, cord-3-4, cord-E exits, use cord-1 or cord-4 to move up or down by item, use cord-2-3 or cord-5-6 to move between sections, use the character shown to move directly to each entry, use the spacebar to toggle through choices. Serial parameters interactive, G, Y and serial port, F, Y and baud rate, B, 15 equals 150, 30 equals 300, 6 equals 600, 12 equals 1200, 2 equals 2400, 4 equals 4800, 9 equals 9600, 19 equals 19200, 38 equals 38400 parity, P, O equals odd, equals even, N equals non-duplex, D, H equals half, F equals full, N equals non-data bits, 4-5-6, number 7 or number 8 stop bits, S, number 1 or 2 handshaking, H, S equals software, H equals hardware, N equals non-adlin feed when transmitting, A, Y and miscellaneous parameters Braille translator, T, Y and cursor tracking, C, Y and revision date, R speak windows, lines, or sentences, V, then W, L, or S reject ornamentation characters, O, Y and skip blank lines, 1-2-3-4-6, Y and distinguish case during find, 2-3-4-6, Y and battery timer, 1-4-5-6, spacebar to reset. Percent of charge remaining, 1-4-6 column beeper, Q, less than number from 0 through 255 greater than, cord-E format parameters set format parameters, L, choose E for Epson or I for image writer, default format parameters are, print line length 75, print left margin 10, print page length 60, print top margin 6, Braille line length 33, Braille left margin 1, Braille page length 25, and Braille top margin 1. Use cord-1 or cord-4 to move through the parameters. To change a parameter, enter a number from 0 through 255, then cord-E, window length, W, less than 18 through 80 greater than, cord-E interactive timeout, X, less than 0 through 255 greater than, cord-E double space, 3-4-5, Y and voice inflection, I, Y and number pages, 3-4-5-6, Y and with number on first page, Y and only if number pages is on, power reminder, Z, Y and calls, M, Y and calendar check, J, Y and word exceptions check, E, Y and progress clicks, K, Y and make parameters file specific, 1-2-3-5-6, Y and speak words in say all mode. 2-3-4-5-6, Y and say ASCII values, cord-2-5, Y and double speed 3-4-6, Y and unavailable feature. PC-editing mode, 1-2-4-6, Y and I sets PC-editing mode to insert at power-up, if PC-editing mode is selected. Use cord-I to toggle between insert, override or append. Parameter settings. I'll begin with port-P, serial port, 2-6, Y and baud rate, B, 15 equals 150, 30 equals 300, 6 equals 600, 12 equals 1200, 2 equals 2400, 4 equals 4800, 9 equals 9600, 19 equals 19200, 38 equals 38400, parity, P, O equals up, equals even, N equals non-duplex, D, H equals F equals full, N equals non-data bits, 4-5-6, number 7 or 8 stop bits, S, number 1 or 2 handshaking, H, S equals software, H equals hardware, N equals non-adlin F when transmitting, A, Y and Braille translator, T, Y and cursor tracking, C, Y and revision date, R reject ornamentation characters, O, Y and serial number owner, 1-4-5-6 window length, W, less than 18 through 80 greater than, Cord-E unprotect open file, UPC-editing mode, 1-2-4-6, Y and I sets PC-editing mode to insert at power-up, if PC-editing mode is selected, use Cord-I to toggle between insert, override or append. Transfer protocols from the file menu, enter Cord-T press S or Cord-S to send, R or Cord-R to receive, Cord version silences file names. Enter X for X-modem or Y for Y-modem when uploading with Y-modem. You can mark a file with Y or unmark it with N. M marks all files. U unmarks all files. Cord-M marks a file or a group of files. Cord-U unmarks a file or a group of files. O marks the open file. Spacebar toggles the pointed to file from being marked or unmarked. Cord-Y marks the pointed to file and moves to the next file in the file list. Enter Cord-E and begin the transfer from the PC printing text print or send the open file out the serial port. Cord-T, followed by one of these options. A equals all text with formatting. B equals transmit without translation. L equals line. P equals paragraph. M equals from cursor to mark. S equals all text with format parameter set to 0. W equals format for use in word processor. Z equals all text from cursor to end of file print to file. Cord-T, F, followed by A, B, L, P, M, S, W, or Z as listed above. Less than file name greater than. Cord-E formatter functions. Format commands are placed in your text. They must begin with dollars and must be surrounded by spaces. Where you see NN in the following list, NN represents the number you should enter. Set left margin to NN spaces. $MLNN set right margin to NN spaces. $MRNN set top margin to NN lines. $MTNN set bottom margin to NN lines. $MPNN, note. For print files, the bottom margin default is 0 unless page numbering is turned on, then it is 6. The default for Braille files is 0. Page length equals NN, $PLNN page width equals NN, $PWNN increase left margin by NN spaces, $ML plus NN decrease left margin by NN spaces, $ML-NN increase right margin by NN spaces, $MR plus NN decrease right margin by NN spaces, $MR-NN increase top margin by NN lines, $MT plus NN decrease top margin by NN lines, $MT-NN increase bottom margin by NN lines, $MP plus NN decrease bottom margin by NN lines, $MP-NN wait for a key press after each page of output, $W new line, $L center current line, $C new paragraph, $P new page, $F no justification, $JN full justification, $JF right justification, $JR page numbers Arabic format, $NAR page numbers Roman numerals, $PNRN no page numbering, $PNNP page numbers top left, $PNTL page numbers top center, $PNTC page numbers top right, $PNTR page numbers bottom left, $PNPL page numbers bottom center, $PNPC page numbers bottom right, $PNPR set page number to NN, $PNNN move to next tab position, $T set tab size, $TSNN set line spacing to NN, default equals 1, $LSNN underline begin, $of underline finished, $of italic begin, $if italic finished, $if boldface begin, $PP boldface finished, $PF double strike begin, $DPSP double strike finished, $DPSF end formatting. This terminates program. $F insert current time into text, $TM insert current date into text, $DT header begin, $HB footer begin, $FB disable header, $H dash re-enable header, $H plus disable footer, $F dash re-enable footer, $F plus end of header or footer text, dash reset Braille translator setting for file, $BRL plus assume file is computer Braille, perform no translation, $BRL dash move to column NN relative to left margin, $TOM display status message to show formatting progress, $ST strikeout begin, $stop strikeout finished, $sub start of ignore text area, end of ignore text area, out in the left margin 1 tab stop for the current line, out don't form feed at end of print, $NF while printing, press the spacebar to find out what page is being printed. Spell check functions. Before using the spell checker, the file spell.tic must be loaded into your unit. Start spell checker, Cord-O, 1-6 enter W forward or Z for all from cursor to end of file if the word is not found. The following commands can be used. Add word to personal dictionary, personal.tic. A bypass word for rest of file, B read word in context. C enter correct word, E help, H OK, skip word, or repeat incorrect word. R spell word phonetically, Cord-2-5 suggestion list. S use Cord-1 and Cord-4 to read the list. Cord-E replaces the word with the suggestion. Cord-C cancel suggestions. Abort spell checker, Cord-C time and date commands time, Cord-O, T date, Cord-O, D set time, Cord-O, S, T change time plus or minus, Cord-O, S, T, then plus XXXX or dash XXXX to change time by that many hours and minutes set date, Cord-O, S, D set American 1 2 hour time, Cord-O, S, 1 set European 2 4 hour time, Cord-O, S, 2 enhance calendar functions, Cord-O G to find out the day of a particular date, enter the date in MMDDYYY format, allowing 4 digits for the year. You can also enter a number if you wish to know what day it will be X days from today. Enter the number preceded by a minus sign to determine what day it was X days ago. Enter a number sign to determine what number today is in the calendar year. Terminate with Cord-E calendar check, Cord-O, A checks calendar.brl file for entries with today's date. Calculator functions. Enter calculator. Cord-O. C. Cord-C exits. Execute calculation. Cord-E toggle fraction decimal answers. Cord-3-4 set precision. Cord-P red display. Cord-C clear. Cord-3-5-6 result. R store to memory. Cord-S. Utruzi. Accept ARC recall from memory. Use Utruzi in calculation. Accept ARC digits full numbers. Cord-F operators. Plus. 3-4-6 minus. 3-6 times. 1-6 divided by. 3-4%. 1-4-6 square root. Cord-3-4-5 scientific calculator functions. Enter the function name followed by the argument or arguments in parentheses, separated by commas if there is more than one argument. 255 characters max. Absolute value of argument. Abs reciprocal of arg. Recip integer division of arg1 divided by arg2 if both are integers. Diff arg1, arg2, integer remainder of arg1 divided by arg2 if both are integers. Mod. Arg1, arg2, round a number, integer part of arg plus 0.5. Round integer part of arg. Trunk sum of any number of arguments up to 250 characters. Sum average of any number of arguments up to 250 characters. Abs standard deviation of arguments. Step median of arguments. Median minimum of arguments. Min maximum of arguments. Max calculate value of arg factorial. Fact use value of pi 3.1415927 in calculation or as part of a radians argument. Pi set units for trigonometric functions. Enter Cord-T for degrees or Cord-R for radians sine of arg. Sin cosine of arg. Cos tangent of arg. Tan cotangent of arg. Cot arc sin of arg. As in arg cosine of arg. Cos arctangent of arg. Atom base E log of arg. Ln base 10 log of arg. Log base E antilog of arg. Alm base 10 antilog of arg. Log E to the power arg. X part 1 to the power arg2. Power arg1 arg2 square root of arg. SQRT the arg2 root of arg1. Root arg1 arg2 generate random number between 0 and 1. Empty set of parentheses required. Rand. Convert to hexadecimal from decimal. HT convert to octal from decimal. Oct convert to binary from decimal. PT convert to decimal from hexadecimal. DH convert to decimal from octal. Do convert to decimal from binary. DP convert centigrade arg to Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit convert Fahrenheit arg to centigrade. Centi convert centimeter arg to inches. In convert inches arg to centimeters. Cm convert kilometer arg to miles. Mi convert mile arg to kilometers. Km convert gallon arg to liters. L convert liter arg to gallons. Cal convert pounds arg to kilograms. Kg convert kilograms arg to pounds. LP convert ounces arg to grams. G convert grams arg to ounces. Os wind chill temperature in Fahrenheit. Wind speed. WC graphing calculator. Enter graphing calculator. Cord-G from calculator. Cord-C exits. Enter an equation or inequality. Cord-E less than equation or inequality greater than. Cord-E seek current entry. Cord-C seek next entry. Cord-4 seek previous entry. Cord-1 move to entry 1. Cord-L move to entry 10. Cord-4-5-6 delete all entries. Cord-D setup menu. Cord-S scaling menu. Cord-1-6 graph statistics. Cord-3-4 print graph. Cord-P audio graph or current entry. Cord-H read entries from file. Cord-R write entries to file. Cord-W available commands. Cord-1-4-5-6 stopwatch function. Enter stopwatch. Cord-O. W. Cord-C exit start stop timer. .6 reset timer. .3 read timer. Spacebar seek last reading. C set countdown timer. 3-4-5-6 other functions open help file. Cord-1-4-5-6. Cord-C closes it abort. Cord-C flip to previously open file. Cord-1-2-5-6 or Cord-O. L reset form. Cord-1-2-3-4-5-6 twice. This will reset your unit to default parameters but will not erase files. Reset form. Hold down all 7 keys at power on. This will reset your unit to default parameters but will not erase files. May work when first form reset doesn't. Reset code. Hold down Cord-I at power on. This will reset your unit to its default parameters. You will be asked if you want to initialize the file system. If you answer Y, all file titles will be erased from the file menu. Finally, you will be asked if you want to delete all data in the file area. If you answer Y, all your files will be permanently destroyed. Execute calculation in the file. Cord-O. K-load external program from a file. Cord-O. X red countdown timer. Cord-O. 3-4-5-6 enable 1-handed mode. Hold down .6 at power on disable 1-handed mode. Hold down .3 at power on silent start. Hold down spacebar at power on select voice. Cord-Y followed by a number from 1 through 5 toggle interactive mode. Cord-G execute program. Cord-O. X access win disk. Cord-O. Cord-W. Cord-C to exit. Remote mode. Cord-3-5-6. Followed by one of these options. A equals ASCII. D equals display. M equals mini Braille. P equals personal touch. S equals serial control. Cancel remote mode by turning off the unit. Thank you for purchasing the APH Scholar. Please give us your comments and suggestions concerning this product. Freedom Scientific 118003 First Court North Street, Petersburg, FL 33716-727-803-8000 fax 727-803-8001 worldwide website, http www.freedomscientific.com e-mail hardware support at freedomscientific.com. Oh thank goodness. We are finally done. Well, I hope some of you enjoyed that at least. And it's a good sample of the DoubleTalk speech. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and Caller123123 will see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified about upcoming videos. Follow me on Twitter at Gallagher123123. You can also find me on Mastodon at Gallagher123123 at dragonscave.space. Thank you again for watching. We will see you in an upcoming video.